Today on this video, I don't know what I'm going to show. Still then, if you watch from starting to end, you surely enjoy with the video. So please, without skipping, to watch the video from starting to the end, so that you find something interesting on this video. To drive with me, yeah, he's coming with me. Ole mole. Okay guys, you want to join with me? Hello guys, we have finished shooting for today, so we are going back to our home. घर जा रहा है ये जो हम लोग अभी तमेंगलोंग बाजार पे. I'll be jumping through building. See. So आज हम लोग दिन भर शूटिंग किया है, so we feel very tired. Till then we just want to have a vlog with you, and I always want to give a time because as I'm a vlogger I do have patience, and then I need to manage the time. And some of my friends are on the way, so they all are maintaining the role in the billion role. फिर से हम लोग हेलीकॉप्टर से हम लोग का ट्रैवल शुरू हो चुका है. देखिए देखिए ईमान रास्ता तो सेक्सी ऐसे होने पे क्या करेगा, उपाय है ही नहीं. क्या कुछ बोला हमसे वही. Sorry, the people of Tamenglong. Sorry, never mind. मेरा काम तो करने दो भाई. Hello, सेक्सी ऑटो, बाय बाय. मैंने दिन भर शूट किया है, मैं थक हो चुका. मैंने क्या करेगा, करीबी देखिए हम लोग ये entrance get off, the main entrance get off. I don't know where I am, but I may be going home. फोन नहीं पर I am the experience हो चुका है भाई, चिंता नहीं है. So here is a stadium under processing. It is completing soon. See, but he's taller than me, but I'm more handsome than him. Hey.
But you have more girlfriend than me.
I have 5 girlfriends than you. I am more higher than your number. Okay. Hey, Tamenglong vui pin lom ni vui ki siapa tak re, vui ki tak siap tak ne. Karena kan Tamenglong de di chu de sang ta ko de le mati mak ja. Vui te be ja tu na te pa de sang la le Tamenglong ya vui te be kyang a jai. Tu na khali bhana sudai ja. It is the beginning of what?
Pardon?
Develop. Iterate. Tengok de pa mi ko lai ga le pile ham le bye bye. Hello. Bye bye. Kang ngam le Tamenglong le rom le be ki le ta tu kang ngam le rang i be ni me rang sia be ni me si ma. I don't know whether I am. Here is another beautiful girl. Hello. ये करिए ये. Bike. Corolla bike. Bike. No, it is not a bike. Here is our destination. We stayed here for more than 1 week. I is not happen to shoot there. Exhausted. Here is our actress. Hey, có tụm là lấy mấy lấy sợi. Hey, lấy sợi này. Hayo, feel tired bye. Hai, क्या करूँ? अरे यार, अभी तो मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो please do subscribe and share. What is this man? See? It look like bro. Ayo, sorry. लेकिन it look like क्या बोलेगा ना? ले में bro. Hey, 이게 मुझे हौजी tired ले ये. What? मुझे हौजी 다. Yan fazago. Shooting tore Tamenglong. Taran. Here is a beautiful lake. And then here is where is the church? Yes, that one. Hey. Friend of mine are singing a song. Ha. He can write and sing very well. Here Mr. Busy chatting with his girlfriend, and then here Mr. Busy talking with his girlfriend, but here Mr. Peace is singing for us. Yan phaza present tore. I don't know what it means. लेकिन बोल दिया.
मणिपुर लोग.
ए मणिपुर खंगदे. मणिपुर को. ए मणिपुर खंगदे मणिपुर. ए मणिपुरी लेसा भी लुंगसी होजिदा
Manipur lag photo poetry do Manipur di fazana ngangkre ko hojikandi
yam faza understand tore ma khoi hojik yes do singule
ai po sankeza aloga bangam
lagza ne gai lei see I can sing more better than them bro please do sing yes may no love si gai nei sang lei rang gai ne lo yes rang I sing uda ane iron lei ai चला रहे फिर से दीदी से ओए लग से ने गाई ले अरे गुवा नंग आइदे वंग लो इधर नुते मा ते चिला ले आई रमे क्ला नेम पुतो ते रे जुले इधर नेम पुतो साले साची नंग मा ते चिमा आई जो नंग ते रे रमे क्ला ते रे ले तो लो आई जो नंग इधर ai gum kulum da kulum bam le da le na nang kinai le I just want to entertain you all still then I cannot give much time because it's already dark अंधेरा हो चुका है so we'll end up from here फिर से कहता हूँ अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा so आप लोग को मैं entertain करते रहेंगे